Welcome to Arson Pose. This is a new video from W&W Decor material series. Today we are talking about a very soft item in the interiors world. That's the carpet. Carpet is a very important item in the interiors. Carpet has many uses and many types, many categories, many ways of fabrication and many ways of installation. If you want to categorize it from the fabrication point of view, there is a tufted carpet, there is knitted carpet, there is printed carpet. Tufted, it's divided into hand tufted or machine tufted. Knitted also, it's like hand knitted, machine knitted. There is a woven carpet, that's the most expensive one because it's by hand. So there are so many types of carpet in terms of fabrication. So basically the carpet rolls can be used in big areas. Custom-made carpet can be done for like banquet halls, big banquet halls, big party halls in hotels, big conference rooms. Custom-made carpet can be made with particular design and with particular width. Just imagine that the carpet roll can be up to 10 meter long, so it needs a trailer to load it and to offload it, and it needs the crane, actually this particular crane, to offload it from the truck, and it needs so many equipment and so many people to help pushing it inside the conference hall or the banquet hall, the party hall that it meant to be installed in. So basically the carpet wall is very big and it has so many options, and every function it has its own and its own suitable type of carpet fabrication and carpet installation and carpet material, of course. There is unlimited possibilities and unlimited options for the interior designer to choose and to pick whatever suitable for his theme and for his design. In my hand now is a piece of carpet. You have, like here, you have two different types of carpet in one piece. This gives the piece of carpet a richness. And if you notice this thickness of this carpet tile, including 5 mm of the structure and another 5 mm for the hair. So this carpet is considered a good quality carpet. Not like the other types of carpets that are less thick and some polythene materials are used in it, so it will be more durable. The reason why it's been used as carpet tiles is because of the service and maintenance. Suppose something fall on the carpet, it can be easily replaced. Plus the fact that, fabricating the 40 by 40 tiles is much easier and much quicker, and it's very economic and it's very cheaper compared to the carpet that is woven and that is made by roll. Another type of like floor covering, it's actually not related to carpet, but it actually comes as tiles. That is the vinyl tiles. See, it's the vinyl. It's very thin in terms of thickness, but this material is like a vinyl. It's very durable material, and it can come in so many designs. So many designs, so many colors, so many finishes. It gives you the finish that you want, the design that you want, and it gives you the flexibility of choosing what color you want, and at the same time it gives you the freedom of the level. There's no level constraints in this. There's no thickness constraints. You see, the thickness is barely like 3 mm. So this vinyl tiles is somehow can be compared to carpet tiles. This one is much more durable. Yes, it looks less luxury and it looks cheap because obviously eventually it's a plastic, so the vinyl is basically a plastic, so it's not as the same rich as the carpet, but it's much more durable and much more heavy duty. There is also this beautiful sample box. It includes many types of samples for this beautiful material, vinyl tiles, so many colors and so many designs. So thank you very much to Tech2 company for beautiful samples and beautiful sample box, and I wish you all the best. And That's it for the vinyl tiles as a good substitution for the carpet. So I hope that this brief video was helpful for you, and I thank you very much for coming back later for more videos talking about what and where decor material. Thank you very much.